Yo, what's up? Office hours. Yo. How's it going, Sora, dude? How's your week going?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna boost your volume up, dude. You're always so quiet. How's my audio, by the way? Is it good? My audio good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Says yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Dude, what's with... Yo, nice, T-Bone, dude. Yes, dude. T-Bone got the attendance in, dude. Here, let me share my screen too, right? $1080p. Thanks, T-Bone. T-Bone says my audio sounds great. Actually, let me change my brightness, dude. I need to figure out what these streamers do with not making my face look like a giant white piece of paper. dude, do you hear, dude? Yeah, exactly. Oh wow, yo, T-Bone with the tip. There you go. There you go. You got it, dude. Good job, A-Rod, dude. Figure things out. This is what I love, dude. Now I have the students policing the students. Oh, good, Sor. Yeah, you marked your attendance. I will definitely remember to give you your points this time.
Yo,
what's up, dude? Is that Mello, dude?
hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. What's up, Mello, dude? What's up, dude?
Hell yeah, man.
Mello, mark your attendance, dude, in the Twitch so I can get you a point, bro.
Twitch,
You just waking up, Mello, dude? You working late?
Nah, bro. I'm just
Taking
tired.
Tired. What, dude? It's like 6 o'clock over there, right? Or 5?
Yeah, fuck.
It's not too late.
Because my medicine keeps me sleepy.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
why.
because you got your wisdom teeth taken out, dude. Yeah. Yeah, well, let me put this in. Let me tell people we're live now. T-Boner's in, dude. Nice.
No, I'm gonna mute myself for a little.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, Senpai, dude. Tell Nick how to show himself that he's here. Nick says he's here, but dude, you gotta say exclamation point here. You gotta use. There you go, Nick, dude. You figure it out. I got the.
So what can I see? You add a new bot.
Yeah. Well, I got the Discord chat now also on the stream, so people can see that as well.
Really?
Yeah. Do you see that? It's underneath the camera and the logo. It says object for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that, but so that way people can see both types of chats. Yeah, right. I want to give away Alex. Yeah. The giveaway is going to be in place for when we have people who are asking a lot of questions at once, and then we have to decide like whose question are we going to answer first. So the giveaway is kind of like a thing in there. Oh, nice, dude. Mel. Okay, Mel's been recorded too. Okay, great, cool. All right.
This is done. I'm gonna redeem my coins.
Yeah, you're gonna get your 15 for the PlayStation gift card.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice, dude. How many coins do you have actually, Sor, dude? How many
15.
do you have? He's got 15, dude. Okay.
13.
13, he says. Okay.
Yo, guy, we should play Overwatch, all of us.
Yeah, that's an idea. So Sor's actually having a good idea that like we could form kind of like a student council where you guys can vote on what games we play during recess. Nice, Nick.
Dope.
Yeah. So you guys can like come to me and be like, "Yo, Gio, we would like to play this game for after office hours."
Nice. All could get at least.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Yeah, Nick, it's all good. So as long as your attendance got recorded in either the Discord or the Twitch, it'll count for your points. I'll add up all the points after this. Okay. Does anybody have a question about math or science that they want to ask? It can be, I know you guys are out of school, and so actually this weekend, I was with Bommy Boy 1, and we were talking about the summer camp we're going to start running. We'll announce it this week, and we're going to have orientation next week, and then the week after that is when it's going to start. And in general, what it's going to do is we're going to have you guys form into 2 different teams. We're thinking about breaking you guys up into team middle school and team high school. And you guys get to compete with who gets the most amount of points. And you can get points both through showing up to office hours and through competing in Warzone. And at the end of the whole summer, we're going to give the winning team a lot of really cool prizes. And we'll give one person a grand prize for being like the most active, getting the most amount of points. Why summer camp? Well, what's wrong with summer camp, Sorry? You don't want to call it summer camp? You want to call it summer school, dude? What's wrong with summer camp? Never mind. Well, hey, I'm all up for suggestions. You ask me, you guys tell me what would sound cool for you guys, because a lot of you guys I know have some free time over the summer. You can be playing a lot of video games, so why not get some points for that and also learn a couple things along the way? So that's the whole plan for summer camp. We'll announce that at the end of this week, and then we'll get started with that. But for now, is anyone still in school? Anyone still in their classes? Okay, Sor, you're still in class. Okay, cool. Sor, what are you doing in math, dude? Do you have any questions about what you're doing in math? We didn't have any classes today. I have school until the 26th. Okay, dope, dude. Okay. So, official Nick, do you have anything that you're working on in math or science that you want to go over? It could be even something that you already know. We can just make sure you understand everything about it. If you post some sort of question, we'll give you an additional bond coin for doing that. We were doing stocks. Okay, stocks are cool. Yeah, we could do some stuff with stocks. What are you guys doing with stocks, Nick? Playing a game. Well, the stock market is basically one giant game, honestly, is what it is. Let's see. Nick is typing. Let's see what he says. Oh, nice. Welcome, Mommy Boy, dude. Buying and selling stocks. Okay. Okay, that's cool. So here, we can go over something with stocks. So a lot of times when you guys buy and sell stocks, well, many of you guys can't actually buy and sell stocks right now, but it's a good practice for it. The thing you want to be looking at is the stock price, right? All good, Nick. All good, Nick. So, and a lot of ways you can determine whether a stock is doing well or doing not or not doing well, right? Is based on whether the stock price is going up or down. Now, if we look at here, let's create a new window real quick. Let me give an example of like a stock ticker. What's someone's favorite stock? Someone shout out a company they like or something. Shout out a stock you'd like to go over. Nike. Okay. All right, let's do that. Okay. Here, let's get a Windows Shift S. Copy that in. And let's paste it. Cool. People see this? AMC is better. GME to the moon. Okay, yeah, good. Good to see you, Mel, dude. Yeah, come back. Okay. This is what like a standard stock chart would look like. This is actually the chart for a day. Let's get something, it's better to look at what a stock looks like over the course of some time. So let's look at, for example, over the course of the last month. Let's copy this in. Okay. Oh, there we go. Dogecoin, yeah, Dogecoin's dope too. Yeah, Dogecoin is nice. We can go into cryptos later, but this is an example of Nike, okay, which shows what the price of Nike has been over the course of a month. Okay, it has been going. You're right, sorry, it's been going slowly down for the last month. Okay, so this is also. Do you guys remember when we were talking about like graphs and stuff? We were looking at source KD and whatnot. This is also a graph. And what would be the labels for the axes of these graphs? Like, what would I call this axis? What's changing here as we go this way? Does anyone have an idea? My KD's close to 1.1. Is it actually 1.1? Sorry, dude. We'll see, dude. So this axis right here, which is the x-axis, okay? Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Time. Yeah, good, everyone. Good. Yeah. This is time. This represents the amount of time that's good. You're right, sorry. It is x and y. This is also the y-axis. Yeah, but the x-axis here, this is time. And specifically, this is in what looks like days, right? Because we have like the 14th, the 21st, the 28th, and the 7th, right? This is in some form of called like days, all right? And then what would be the y-axis? What are we tracking here on the Y? Good. Yes, Sora, dude. Nice, dude. Y, money, dude. Money. Very good. Yes. So this is stock price is what this is, right? And this is in dollars. And so yeah, we can look at this as a function, right? And well, okay. So here we'll go into profit. I'll explain how we would measure profit and whatnot, but this is what the price of a stock is, okay? And this is how it varies over the course of the time, which in this case is days. And so what you can notice here is for the last month, Nike hasn't been having a great month, right? No, I'm going to teach you why. I'm going to teach you the math behind why you would want to buy some, what the profit is and whatnot. Buying stocks is rather easy. You can just download the Robinhood app and just buy stocks. All you need is like, I think a debit card or I don't know if you can buy with credit, but you just need a bank account basically, and Robinhood, you can buy stocks. But the smart anybody can buy stocks. You can be an idiot and you can buy stocks, but the reason why you want to buy stocks is you want to make money, and in order to do that, you need to be smart, and in order to be smart, you need to know math. So we're gonna go behind a little bit of the math of like what you need to look for in a stock and whatnot. Okay, so here we can see that Nike hasn't been doing too well. Maybe they're waiting on the next Travis Scott release, or they're losing out to Adidas. He likes the nice button. Yeah, which one is this? The one? This one?
Yeah.
No, it's that one.
Nice.
There we go. That one. Nice. Yeah. That's a good. Yeah, if we get more followers on the Twitch, that'll pop off more. Which I think we're at like 36. Nike going to Bikini Bottom, dude. Well, no, it's not too bad. Okay, because look, Nike started probably around. This looks like probably like here actually we can say here's the high. So the high here tells us what the highest point that Nike was in the last month, and we can see here that it was 137.81. Okay, and then the low, which is probably today, honestly, right here is 131.84. Okay, so you can see here that Nike, isn't going necessarily to Bikini Bottom because about how many dollars has it changed in the last month? If it's going from like 137 to 131, how many dollars is that in terms of a change? Nice, good, yes, nice, about 6, yeah, awesome. Yeah, that would be that is a good thing. Actually, that's a good idea. I probably will put that in the Discord, I'll say if you just follow my Twitch, I'll give you a bond coin. Because yeah, we probably could hit the 50 pretty quick. I would like to do it organically. I would like for people to join in and participate and like really get involved, because you can get followers, but it's getting active followers is always the question. But good, yes. So this is about a minus $6 change. Okay. Yeah, I have almost like 30. I need like another 20, but okay. So this is about a $6 change, which, you know, a $6 change depends on the price of the stock, whether that's a big change or a bad change, right? So let's look at example. Let's look at like AMC, for instance, right? AMC's been hurting recently. Here we go. Let's copy this in. Here's what's the most money you can make in stocks? You can make unlimited amount of money. Sure. You can also lose all your money. So stocks is a lot of times sometimes gambling. So but we'll go into that. So this is an example. This is AMC, for instance, guys. So AMC, you guys have probably heard about recently in the news. It's a movie theater chain, right? I don't know if you guys have. Stocks is half. No, well, okay. We'll go into that story. Stocks can be risky and not risky depending on how you play stocks. There's different things. There's called things like options, and then there's AMC, the good movie theater. Yeah, which one's the bad movie theater? Cinemark. But here, AMC's been blowing up over the last month, right? AMC started earlier this month with a low of 12 and hit a high of 62, right? That's a huge gain here. Okay? But let's look compared to Nike here, right? We said Nike lost around $6, right, over the course of a month, okay? The question now becomes, like, is that $6 a lot of money for Nike to lose? Or is it not a lot? Because let's look at AMC for example. AMC had a low of 12. If AMC dropped $6 from its $12 price, then it would go all the way down to $6, which would make it almost bankrupt, you know? Which is what people were trying to do to AMC. The reason why AMC is actually blowing up the way it is due to a thing called a short squeeze, which, yes, people should follow Actual Gains when he starts streaming for stock tips, because he can explain this a lot better than me, what like a short squeeze is and whatnot. But the point I'm trying to illustrate here is that just knowing whether a stock goes up or down by a certain amount of dollars doesn't really tell you as much as you would like to know about how well that stock is doing, like in general. The real thing that tells you how well a stock is doing is to look at what we call the percent change. Okay? Bomby Boy was here. You know, he said hi. He's not in the voice channel. It's all good. Okay. Does anyone know what percent change is? Has anyone heard of percent change? How do you know if you're about to lose all your money? Okay, Nick. So here, I can tell you how you're about to lose all your money. You can tell if you're about to lose all your money if the percent change of a stock is equal to a minus 100%. When a stock changes and loses 100% of its value, you're going to lose all your money if you own that stock, right? Right, if the numbers are going down. Yeah, sorry, you're right. But the numbers don't have to be just going down. So, for instance, here, right, you know, Nike went down $6, but that doesn't mean you're going to lose all your money, because what you need to do is you need to look at how much percent change did Nike lose. Okay, so here we're gonna go over what the formula for percent change is. Okay, So this is the formula. And this is a very useful thing for you guys to know. Yeah, I love the stonks guy, dude. Okay. So the formula for percent change is the final number minus the initial number divided by the initial number, all times 100. Okay? So let's look at, for instance, let's look at Nike here, right? And let's make a little problem out of this. Let's say, let's make this a little bigger. Let's say that Nike starts out at $137 at the beginning of the month and ends at $131 at the end of the month. What percentage change in stock price did Nike experience? Okay. And again, pay attention to this. This will probably be a bonus question, the extra credit questions we post. So for those you just tuning in, so in the Discord, throughout the week, we ask bonus questions, which are related to the things we go over here in class. And if you answer them correctly and you answer them first, you get an extra bond coin, which gets you closer to earning the 1,100 COD points that you can get. You need 10 bond coins to get the 1,100 COD points, and we have a couple people who are really close, honestly. Like Soar's at 15, so he's gonna he's already gotten his original 1,100 COD points, so he's gonna buy the PlayStation gift card. But we have a couple other students who are pretty close here. You can check that all the time by just go to the prize room and you can use bond coin ! balance, and that'll tell you it. Okay. So here we're looking at, we want to see what percentage change that Nike experiences in its stock price. This percentage change also, that's what this thing is here. If you guys ever notice that. If you're ever looking at a stock chart and you see here where there's like a percentage here, this tells you what the percentage change is. Ooh, someone already said 4.37. Ooh, wow. Who's already answering it, dude? Who's already getting it, dude? Nick. Okay. Wow, Nick. Oh, and we got Kanye East in the chat, dude. What's up? What's up, Ye?
My fault by my name, bro.
Don't be fooled by my name, dude. Kanye East. I like that, dude. Kanye East. That's hilarious. All right, Nick, you already got this answer, dude. Nick. All right, so how did you do this, Nick? So let's see. Again, he subtracted. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So interesting. Okay. All right, T-Bone and Knuckles. Dude, good to see you, dude. Good to see you. Let's see. Then multiply by 100. Okay, dude. So you're almost partial. You're pretty close there. You're pretty close there, Nick. You don't always need to do high and low. Yeah, multiplied. Yeah. There you go. So it's not always high minus low. It's what it is it's the final minus the initial over the initial. And what I mean by final initial is this is like the time after something happens. This is the time before something happens. Okay? So here what we have is the final, right, which is the stock price at the end of the month, right? That's the final time. That's equal to 131, okay? So we're going to have 131. Then the initial is going to be what this stock price started at, okay? So this stock price started at 137, okay? So we're going to put 137 here. Yeah. It's not always the high minus the low, because I'll show you why. I'll show you why here, Nick, why that matters, okay? And then we're going to divide by the initial again, right? So that's going to be divided by the 137, okay? So this becomes -6. Oh, okay, and then, well, then we're also going to multiply this by 100 eventually, okay? So this right here, right, is going to be -6 divided by 137 times 100. Which, let's see, let's get a quick calculator on this. Actually, you should just have a calculator. To Kanye, dude, it's okay, dude. Dude, I almost failed a lot of things too, dude, in life. Like, you know, it's all good. We're here to help, dude. Doesn't matter what you almost failed, or even if you're really smart, really dumb. Actually, no one's really dumb. It's just people take a little bit longer to figure things out. Dude, we're here to help you, dude, so that you don't almost fail the 8th grade, right? You know. Okay, so this -6 over 137, let me just Google that real quick. 137. It's be minus 0.438. So that equals minus 0.0438. And then times 100. Dude, it's okay, dude. There's autocorrect, dude. There's dude, I screw up typing things all the time. So, like, you know, it's not that he can't spell multiply. It's that, you know, we get lazy with, like, typing. We get lazy with doing this, and we expect everything to be to just autocorrect everything. It's all good. Yeah, don't ask. I'm bad. My hands are paraplegic too. Are they really paraplegic, Kanye, dude? Or if your hands are paraplegic, I don't think you could be typing to us unless you got like one of those like things you can like do with your mouth or something. Oh, Kanye, make sure you type in exclamation point here in the chat. And make sure, yeah, there you go, dude. Nice, dude. And are you following the Twitch? Make sure you're following the Twitch, because if you're following the Twitch and then you say that, we get you a bond coin, which again gets you closer to the 1100 COP points that we give out. We gave out 1100 COP points, I think, last lesson to was it T-Boner? I think T-Boner got it. Yeah, T-Boner got it last lesson. He hit his 10. There are a couple people that are really close. I think Nick's up at like 5 or 6 or something. Can I get something else but COP points? Yeah, dude, you can get whatever you want, dude. Your first gift can be $10 PlayStation gift card, $10 Xbox Live gift card, $10 whatever $10 gift you want. I can probably get it. Yeah, thanks, Sort. Here, and how many for coin things? So if you check the rules, Kanye, there's that'll show you how you can get bond coins and how much you need. What happens if you get 100 bond coins? You get to buy me, I guess, or something. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll get $10 Xbox gift card. That's fine too. Yeah. I'll update the storefront because I need to change it, because it used to be you could only get the 1100 COD points the first time for $10, but I'll make it so that y'all can get any one of the prizes the first time for just 10 bond coins. But yeah. Okay. So we're going to do this. So if people remember, when you multiply by things that have zeros, like 100 or like by 10 or by like, you know, even like 1,000, okay? What this does is this moves this decimal place, okay? And so depending how many zeros are here, depends how many times this decimal place moves over. So since this has 2 zeros, this is going to move 2 decimal places. Yeah, I don't want to go broke. Well, it's okay, senpai. Yeah. It's for now, we are making the gifts probably pretty cheap because you guys are the first ones. You're the first students. You're the early adopters. So you guys get the first chance at the rewards and whatnot. Eventually, as we get more students, it's going to get harder to get bond coins as easily. And so there'll be more competition for things. So, but for now, you know, like, we really want to help you guys out. So again, this is going to move 2 decimal places, and now we get minus 4.38%. Yeah. So Nick, what was different here about this answer and what you said, Nick? So you said I think 4.38%, right? What's the difference between these two here? Do you see? The negative, good. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, Nick. Yeah. So this negative, the reason why this negative comes up is because we had the small number here and the big number here, because the final stock price was smaller than the initial stock price. If you always do big minus high, you will always get a positive number. So there's no way you could get a negative. And so yeah, this is a negative percentage, okay? Which means that the stock price is going down. So when you see stock charts, right, and you see something like a percentage here, you guys see that? You see how this one is in red? The red in stock charts means that it's negative. It means that the price is going down, is what it does. This one is negative as well. $200 gift card. Yeah, sure, dude. Yeah. We can make some fun things. And actually, with the summer camp we're gonna be doing, we're gonna have some really, really cool prizes, like maybe a PS5 or something. We're gonna get some big prizes for you guys to reward you guys for participating and stuff. But we'll announce that. Okay. So here, so that tells you, so minus 4.38%. That's not a very big percent, right? That's only a 5% drop. No, you should always spend your coins. Always spend your coins. Yeah. Don't worry. Summer camp isn't going to depend. Summer camp will not depend on the amount of coins you have right now. Summer camp will start, and then everyone starts at 0 for the summer camp coin stuff, and then we're gonna have you guys get do things and get coins throughout the summer that'll add up to winning the grand prize. And we'll have like a first prize, second prize, a lot of really cool stuff. Gaming keyboards, all types of fun stuff. How many coins for a butt pick? You can just go watch Bomby Boy's hot tub stream. It'll be there at some point. But okay, guys. So here, this is 4.38%. Is this a big percentage? Do you guys think this is a big percentage? 4.38%. Nah, right? Yeah, Kanye, he said nah, right? Yeah, good. So this is why, initially, dude, when you saw this chart, right, and you saw this stock price going down, and you're like, oh shit, dude, Nike's going all the way to Bikini Bottom. And then I said, oh, okay, well, let's look at the numbers. Like, it only went down $6, right? But that $6 depends on how much the stock is worth, right? To Nike, which is worth, $140 per share, a $6 drop is not that much. And that's why we saw this. This is the minus 4.38%. Yeah, 4.38% is not very much money. A 4% loss in a stock is not terrible, okay? How easy is it to get bond coins? It's actually pretty easy, Kanye, dude. Here's another thing, Kanye. For everyone who's watching, if you have a screenshot of any of your grades that you've had that you can post for this month, Sor can DM it to you. But I'll give the quick thing, which is, if you do well in school, we want to reward you for doing well in school. So if you can take a screenshot of any test, major grade, project that you have, and if it's an A, you get 1 bond coin. If it's a math or science class and you get an A in it, that's actually equal to 3 bond coins. And then we have 2 bond coins for a B in math and science, and then one bond coin for a C. Yeah, ask Sor. Sor knows. It's okay, Kanye. Post. Do you have your report card grade from May? I guess if you have that counts too. Yeah, dude. Nick's got 6. And Nick, you'll have more points once I give out the points for showing up today. When can you get in the hot tub? When's the hot tub open, dude? That's the question. Yeah. Yeah, you see, Nick, you're close, dude. Yeah. And Nick, if you can show a screenshot of a grade where you have an A in a science class, you're right. That'll get you 3. That'll get you to 9, and you'll also get 1 for attending today's office hours. And I'll give you another one because you suggested the question for us to go over. You suggested the stock prices stuff. So that'll put you at 11. Yeah, right? Yeah. So yeah, get screenshots of those grades that you have. Yeah, they've always given you 3 coins. Yeah. An A in a math or science class gets you 3 coins, and you can do that once per month. So for June, I know a lot of people just joined and school's ended. You can post one of your grades from the last month for this month. You post any grade, we'll give you 1 bond coin. An A in gym and an A in civics. Okay, cool. That'll get you 1. If you have an A in a math or science class, I'll give you 3. And if you don't, it's okay. I mean, that's what we're here to do. We're here to help you get A's in your math and science classes, so that you can get more points. You can get more. Civics a type of hunt. Well, civics is kind of like I think it's like a government type class. Is that right? On a Civic 07, dude. Yeah. What about the Civic SI, dude? That's the best one. All right, let's see. Let's look at AMC for example, though. AMC was kind of blowing up. Okay. AMC hurt me. What? Didn't you buy AMC, Bommy Boy, dude? You bought AMC around like $12, didn't you? Yeah, calm down, dude. What? Nah. What? Oh, did you buy options? Oh, try 987. Okay, here we go. Well, here let's have a little question here. A little question, okay? So let's say, let's put the text in here. Let's make it bigger. Okay. Bommy Boy is good at stonks. He bought AMC earlier this year for 9.87, okay? Or let's change it. 9.87, not 8.87. Not that good. If AMC is now at 49.32, what percent gain did he have on his investment? Yeah, Kanye. Just literally a picture, dude. Screenshot of like all you guys are taking online stuff, so you got like a screenshot of what your grade was, in the test or the project, or even your report card, dude. You can send a screenshot of your report card. That would work too. You just X out the stuff you don't want people to see. Yeah, no. Sorry, he's talking about for the good grades credit is what he's asking for. All right, he did it. Nice. Okay, here. Let me check it for you real quick. Then we'll get to this. Nice, dude. Okay, there you go. Good. Yeah. Okay. Well, we gotta help you in some classes, but yeah, nice. Okay, cool. Life science. Ooh, life science, dude. That's a B. Cool. That'll get you 2 at least. Nice. We just gotta help you out with math and stuff. Yeah, you get 2. Yeah, a science class, dude. So again, math or science. So if you get a the F in science for PR2 is for the second project's not the best, but we can help you out with that. Yeah, that Bommy Boy was trying something else out with that. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So here, let's try to do this question, okay? Which was trying to see what percent gain that Bommy Boy 1 had if he bought the stocks for 987 and now it's at 49.32. Okay. So does anyone remember how we figure out what percent changes? We just learned it like a couple minutes ago, maybe like 10 minutes ago. Let's see. Low minus high. Okay, all right. Not low minus high. Yeah, it's something with we multiply. Good. Yeah, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. So here, let's go back. Let's go back, guys. Remember, it's final minus initial over initial times 100. Okay? Yeah. So looking at this, okay, so we know that percent change. There you go. Good. Last minus first. Very good. Yeah, good. Percent change. Yeah, good. Last minus first. All over first. Times 100. Okay? Yeah, good. Month, day, or year. You're right, dude. It's like any amount of time, that things are happening and whatnot. So what numbers are we going to put in here? What are we going to put in for last year? So this is the same formula, Nick, but we're going to put different numbers in, right? Because the problem we're looking at has changed, right? Yeah. Yeah, sure. So can we do, does times work like east and others? Explain to me what time works like east and others is. 15 minutes. Oh, okay. How time zones work. Yeah, sure. Yeah, we can do time zones. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually a cool thing. Oh, interesting, Nick. Actually, I didn't know that. It's 15 minutes. Really? It's 15 minutes for every degree of latitude? Is that how that works? Wow. That's actually very cool. I like that, actually. You know what? We actually have a little bit of time. We can actually do that. But here, let's finish this one up real quick. Yeah, Sora, we'll go over that. Okay. Real quick, so you guys can answer this, and then we'll move on to longitude and latitude, because that's a cool thing, actually. Okay. So what numbers are we going to put in here? What are we going to put in for last? The sticks of the world. Yeah, it is the sticks. Okay. So last here is going to be 49.32. First is going to be what the price was when he first bought it, which is going to be 9.87. Okay. And then we're going to divide by that first again, which is 9.87. Okay. All right. Be right. All right, sorry. And then we're going to multiply this by 100. Okay. So the first thing to do is to subtract these two, which is 49.32 minus 9.87 divided by 9.87. So that's 3.997. Okay. So this is going to be 3.997 times 100. Okay. And then what do we do, guys, when we multiply by 100? What do we do with the decimal if I'm multiplying it by something with 2 zeros? Good. Yes, 399.7. So good. The 20 here means that we move it over twice. Good. So now we get 399.7%. So good. So Bommy Boy's investment gained by 399.7%, which is huge. You know, a 400% gain in an investment. Yeah, that's Lambo money, dude. We're getting closer to Lambos, dude. Yeah. Yeah, he's getting a much bigger Big Mac meal now, Bummy Boy says. He's getting a much bigger Big Mac meal. That's some actual gains, right? Right, Al Prince? Is that some actual gains, dude? Yes, almost known as 4X, dude. Yes, almost known. This is also called a 4-bagger.
Nice.
Which you guys should all aim to go for 4-baggers if you're starting to invest in stocks. But it doesn't happen all the time, so don't get caught up on it. Let's see. We got 15 minutes left, so I think we can. I kind of do want to explain the longitude and latitude thing. I think that's pretty cool, actually. That's a great idea, Nick. I like that. Let's get a. Yeah, he says, yeah, explain it, dude. You should explain it. Here, let me move this over here. Get this out of the way. There we go. Each class goes for an hour, Nick. So we're gonna go for another, 14 minutes, and then after this, Nick, we're gonna all play Warzone. 8 inches. God damn it, Kanye. Yeah, in about 14 minutes here, we'll wrap up, and then we're gonna play some Warzone with you guys. So so stick around and whatnot. Oh, okay. Your Warzone's still up. Okay. All right. Well, yeah, Bomby Boy. Yeah, you can play too. You can play as well. You deleted Warzone. Oh well, I mean, if you want to play with us, you should reinstall it. We also we can start playing new games. We're gonna add that slowly. Okay, let's get Ooh, yeah, Rocket League is sick, dude. We do like Rocket League. A-Rod here in the chat is really good at Rocket League. No, Kanye, keep it kind of PG, Kanye. Yeah, are you Lorne Rod, dude? Yeah. You can be as un-PG as you want when we play video games, but during class you can't be talking about grabbing dongs. It's all good. It's all good. All right. Let's look at latitude and longitude. Yeah, you can say one more thing, dude. Kanye, yeah, say it, dude. Wow, dude. Fire Pride, dude. Okay, it is Pride Month, dude. Joking. 2's in the chat, dude. Pride Month. Okay. Here, let's get a picture of this. Oh, man. All these diagrams are goddamn awful, dude. Someone really needs to explain this, correctly. All right, let's see. Let's see if this comes in. No. No, okay. I'll save it myself then here. Save image as. There we go. Okay, cool. All right. Okay, guys. So this is what latitude and longitude are. Okay. So if you ever been somewhere in the Earth, you can describe everywhere you are on the Earth by a set of coordinates, which they call latitude and longitude. You've probably seen this in video games and whatnot, or they say go to here. Let's give an example of video game latitude longitude code. Or it's like a puzzle. Sometimes is usually what they have. Kanye North and Kanye South. Okay, cool. Yeah, actually, you know what? Yeah, screw that, dude. Yeah, let's talk about Kanye North and Kanye South, okay? So, Kanye North, right, would be located north of the equator here, right? And if he was north of the equator, that means that his coordinates would have a latitude that are positive, okay? A lot of times, like, so for instance, GPS coordinates are given in latitude and longitude. So let me give a GPS coordinates. Here's an example of one. Oh, man. So see this dude? This guy has decided. Oh, what's up, Sor? Great, you're back, dude. You just came just in time for latitude and longitude. Okay. So here's an example of someone who has gotten GPS coordinates tattooed on their arm for whatever reason. Good, Sor. This is what we call latitude and longitude. See, this is latitude. Or sorry, actually, let me put this on a new screen so we can see both of these. Move this over. Okay. Good. We can figure out where this is, actually. Okay, cool. See, so these coordinates right here, these are the latitude coordinates. And these coordinates right here are the longitude, okay? Yeah. Well, okay, so they're numbers, right? And then the letter here just says whether it's north or whether it's west, which really, this would just mean positive, and I think this means negative. Is west negative? Yes, west is negative. Okay. So, Sor, what these are, yeah, exactly. We can Google that. Yes, we can find the location with the numbers. So, do you remember when we were playing Warzone, dude, and they had that thing where, what was it? It was where we had to go find that one operator, and then they're like, he's in coordinate like A6 or something, right? Was it the hunt for what was that? What was that character we had to find? Woods. Do you remember we had to go find Woods? So people, I think it was season 6 maybe, or season 1. No one can find Rose. Rose is always hidden, dude. Good. Yeah, basically coordinates. Yeah, good. These are coordinates. So like on a map, right? When you have a map that looks something like this, right? Sticky, dude. What? No, never turn on sticky keys. Come on. Remember, like this was like A, B, C, and this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Like when you have on Warzone, dude. Like when we're like, oh, go to B2, or go to A3. Or Battleship. Yeah, dude. There you go. Old school classic. Who remembers Battleship, right? Nice. So, yeah, these are coordinates, Sor. So we can look on the globe. So the same way that we have like a map like this, the globe can be broken up into a map like this, where these lines, let me get a different color. These lines going this way tell you what the latitude is. And these lines going this way, or another way would be like this, right? These are the longitude, okay? So let's look and see where this dude is located, okay? So he's saying 50 degrees. These are like decimals. This is like percentages of 50 degrees, and we can go into that. This is called minutes, and this is called seconds, but so 50 degrees, right? So 50 degrees latitude. So again, if this is 90, this is 60, this is something, this is 30, this is probably 50 then, right? Or this is actually probably 45 is what this is. Sorry, this is 45. So this dude is located somewhere at 50 degrees. He's located somewhere around here, height-wise, on the map, okay? So now the question is, okay, if we're up here somewhere on the map, right, it's like, okay, but where in terms of east-west, like, is this guy at? And that's where the second coordinate comes in, which is longitude, okay? And here it says 117 degrees longitude, okay? So now we look, and it says it's west. So we're going to look at west. And so this is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. 115 means he's probably somewhere here. So the actual coordinate of this guy is the intersection between this and this. And remember that this one is basically what this line is. So here, actually, let's use different colors for stuff. So this is the, let's get rid of this. Let me make that. So this is 50 degrees north. 50 degrees north. And then this right here, it's hard to see. Let's use a different color. Let's use yellow. Yellow is pretty bright. Yeah, there we go. This right here would be the 117 degrees west. So the coordinate that we have on latitude and longitude, guys, is just going to be the intersection of these two, which is right here. The TikTok about the Earth being true. Oh, the thing about the mantles. Yeah, that's a pretty cool thing, honestly. Now it turns out I think you can actually type in coordinates into Google Maps if you really want to. I think we can do that. So let's get this guy's coordinates, and we can see if we're correct, right? So based on this map, right? And so this looks like it was probably something like around here, right? This is the 117 degrees west. It looks like this dude is probably somewhere around here in New York, right? That's where we would think he is. So let's look real quick on Google Maps if that's correct. So we're looking for 50 degrees north, 117 degrees west. So it looks at 50 degrees north, 117 degrees west. Let me see. GPS. So here, let's put in the latitude and longitude. So 50, and then it was minus 117. So it's getting the GPS coordinates. Oh, just whatever. That's New York. Okay, but I want. Is there a way for me to type in the? Here, this is what we need. We just need to do this. You gotta put it in this way. So let's put in 50. We don't care about any of these decimals. And then minus 117. There we go. So this is what 50 degrees north, 117 degrees west is. Looks like it's actually, okay, it's closer to like Washington, it looks like, right? I'm 1K miles. Dude, I'm like 3K miles away from New York, dude. But, this is what the coordinates are, which you can see, from our map. Like, we weren't too far off. We knew he was somewhere around here. It's hard to see exactly like what numbers here correspond to the ones over here. But yeah, that's how latitude and longitude works. Sor, does that make sense to you? Going to someone's house, go. Okay. All right. That's the end of office hours so far, or for today. We're gonna have another one on Friday. It's gonna be at 3 p.m. Pacific time, or 6 p.m. Eastern. And now, if you guys want to join us, we're gonna go play some Warzone in the gym class voice channel. So join us there, and we'll get you linked up with us in our squad and whatnot, and we will and he's gonna stream. Oh yeah, good. Yeah. So here, I'm gonna raid Bomby Boy. So Bomby Boy 1 is our official gaming partner, and he has a cool stream that he uses to stream his Warzone games. So let me raid his stream.
Shock the fade to win.
Oh man, dude. All right, here we go. Where's the career dashboard? Stream manager. There we go. So we're gonna raid this now. All right, there we go. So here, if you guys want to come play with us, hop in the gym class channel, and then we'll squad up and everything. Yo.
What's up, Giovanni?
Yo, what up, Bomby Boy, dude?
안녕하세요.
Streaming
Annyeong.
right now with Al Prince, dude.
Yeah?
Dude,
Nice,
get
dude.
this, dude. He was in Long Beach and he didn't swing by so that we could do a hot tubby stream.
Dude, what was he doing in Long Beach?
I was at the aquarium.
Did you